What's up, OMG Nation? I'm running over to Moonshine Harley Davidson. They're running a special on oil changes. So I'm running down there to get my oil changed on the cheap. I'm gonna tell you, because I know you can tell just by looking, it's 37 degrees. I'm dressed a little bit more appropriately today for cold weather. Let me shut that vent. I felt something on my nip. I'm ready for the sun to break through this ginormous gray cloud. Cloud. When it's this cold outside, people look at you on a motorcycle. Sometimes they just shake their head. I'm bit by the bug. Cool it. Even short rides are therapeutic to me. Look, there's the Drury Plaza Hotel. As much as those guys are on my channel, I should run down there and ask them for a sponsorship. They would just look at me and laugh. Number one, you don't have a following, kid. Number two, we're already in your videos for free. Let's do it. Change light. What is this? The Stay Bridge Suites? Oh, so they were building 2 hotels. I thought they were only building 1 hotel. I wonder if they're owned by the one behind them, or if the one in front owns both of them. I didn't realize they were building 2. So, as you can tell, today's episode's not about a whole lot. I'm just going to run up here, drop my bike off, get an oil change. There's not going to be any footage of that. I don't know if it's one of those deals where I can actually sit and wait on it, or if I got to ride home. I'm going to catch every single light. It is cold. And look, right here is where I feel the coldest for some reason. I almost felt like that if enough heat was coming off my engine, that should warm up my thighs, but I don't think it is. Pull my baby on in. That's like concierge service. Oh yeah.
Alright, so we're doing a synthetic oil change for that, right?
Yes, sir.
Foam filter?
Yeah. All right, so the guys over here at Moonshine just finished up. They're supposed to be bringing my Softail out to me, so they had a ton of bikes out here today. Thank you, brother. I don't have a knife on me. I normally have one. Look at that. I'll cut that off.
It's really hard to cut because they're so heavy.
Yeah. That's a good one. Hey, appreciate it. See ya. I swear, I know it doesn't make a difference, but every time I get I need some gas. Yeah, I need some gas. Every time I get an oil change, it feels like my bike's louder. These guys at Moonshine always do a great job. Their service department, the dudes are always friendly. I feel like they always go the extra mile, and they don't really have to. But that's what always brings me back. Is, you know, they don't have to go the extra mile or take care of me, but they do. And they washed my bike. Oh, nice. Got a little bike wash. Look at this G-Wagon up here. How in the world do those wheels not tear the paint off the car? Those tires sticking out that far. Oh, maybe I don't need gas. I should probably go the other direction just to... I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to go the other direction just to run the interstate just a tad. That way I can kind of work this new oil through real good. I don't even know if it does that, but it seems like it might. And because I'm going home, I can get my bike up to temperature for a little while. But anyways, back to what I was saying. The guys up at Moonshine Harley Davidson, man, look, I seriously walked in there today and said, hey, I want to schedule a oil change on my Fatboy, maybe sometime this week, next week, just whenever you guys have the available opportunity. He goes, dude, we're a little busy today, but bring it on up here. We'll throw you through. I was like, man, you guys don't have to do that. No, come on, we'll get you in. So I bring it up there, and literally 30 minutes, 40 minutes at the most, I'm sitting there. So put it this way, I hook up my computer and everything, get everything ready, start doing some work, finish up a few things, and they even brought me an extension cord for my laptop as my battery was dead. Get the extension cord ready, do a couple of things, and the guy walks out and says, well, we're finished. I was like, what? And they washed my bike. And it's a good solid price on here too. I mean, just, you know, wasn't that expensive. So for me to be able to work, have my bike washed and my oil changed, brother, let me just tell you, I was able to accomplish a lot of stuff all day long, baby, all day. I appreciate it from the guys over at Moonshine, rushing me through like that, taking care of me. I feel like it's getting a little busier right now. But like I said earlier, you know, today's episode really wasn't about much. I just had to, I'm gonna jump over, run out there, take care of an oil change real quick, you know, if you want to help out the channel, if you appreciate some of the content that I put out, if you guys could click on one of those affiliate links and then bookmark it. And that way, anytime you go to Amazon, your wife goes to Amazon, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, whatever, goes to Amazon, your husband, they can click that bookmark affiliate link. It'll help me out, it'll help the channel out, it'll enable me to continue to bring, you know, content. You know, I've heard that there are Amazon affiliates that do quite well. Honestly, if I can get something out of it where I can purchase batteries, more batteries. I know I've said this before in the past, but batteries, I go through them like you wouldn't believe. More SD cards, not STD cards, but more SD cards. I don't want to purchase any of the other ones. I think I'm gonna whip through here and try to bypass these lights. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just wait. That'll help me out. That'll help the channel out. That'll help me be able to continue to bring you good content. You know, like I said a million times, I never take it lightly that people actually want to listen to what I have to say. Billowing out of there like that. Huh. Is this all spilling into one lane? It is. Lame. I should have went the other way. Well, I might just squeeze up beside them, and yeah, I'm going to. Scoot on past right there. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, baby, get it. What's that doing? Is that the gas? Here and fill her up. That shouldn't be gas. Huh. Let me try that again. Alright, let's try that again. See what happens here. Get on it and I can't.